All right, those were just my cooked jumbo shell pasta in our muffin tin. Next, I'm coming in with my mild Italian style meatballs, and these are raw meatballs. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our meatballs and place them right into our shells, just like this. And we're gonna kind of press them in there so they're perfectly fitting into our jumbo shell pasta. Now, this is a super easy and delicious Italian dinner. We have our pasta, we have our sausage meatballs. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. Now, obviously I bought these yummy pre-made meatballs, but you can use a homemade recipe as well. So let's go ahead and get a meatball in each of our shells. Now that we have our meatballs in there, we're gonna come in with our Rayo's marinara, and we are going to add a little bit of marinara right onto our meatballs, just like so. Ooh, I absolutely love the Rayo's marinara, but you can make your own, or you can get whatever brand you like. I also like the Newman's Own. That one is really good, and they donate all of their profits to kids. But this one, I just really needed some Rayo's because I wanted that like fresh homemade taste. Yeah, I know it tastes homemade to me, so that means it's homemade. Okay, so we're just adding a little bit of marinara on each of these, kind of just covering up that meatball the best we can, and then this is gonna be ready to roll. But of course this needs some cheese, and I have some mozzarella cheese, and we are going to freshly grate our mozzarella cheese right over here. I have my favorite kitchen tool, my cheese grater, and we're gonna grate this whole entire block of cheese, which is 8 ounces, right into our bowl so that we can have some fresh mozzarella, and this time it actually is fresh, on our delicious Italian dinner. This is such a delicious dinner because it is quick, it's easy, it has a lot of flavor. Those meatballs already come seasoned with all delicious things in it, and now this cheese is just gonna be the cherry on top. All right, got all of that nicely shredded. We can come back to our muffin tin, and we are gonna place our cheese right on top of that sauce. Now you could also add some Parmesan cheese to this, but I think mozzarella is plenty. Ooh, look how delicious that looks. So we're adding just a pinch of cheese onto each of these, and then they'll be ready for one more ingredient because this is a super easy 4-ingredient dinner. So let's go ahead and get our cheese on each of our shells. All right, we got our last shell covered in cheese. Now I'm just going to top this with some Italian herbs. Now this part is optional, but I think a little color will make these really pop. And we're just doing a nice little dusting of our Italian herbs on here. We don't even need that much because these are pretty small shells, but these are gonna be packed with flavor. You could also do some garlic powder on here, some onion powder, whatever you like, just throw it in here. That's the best part about this recipe. It's super versatile. And you can even do some beef meatballs, but I think those pork ones are gonna be so good. But these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 20 minutes. Oh my, these smell so good. Ooh, they were actually in the oven closer to like 35 minutes, but they look incredible. I think I'm gonna go for this one because it looks like it's perfectly set up. And I did grease our pan, so keep that in mind. Make sure to grease your pan. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to give this a try. Oh. All right, let's fork and knife this. Ooh. See how perfectly cooked that meatball is. Oh yeah, talk about perfect. The pasta, the cheese, the meat, it's gonna be a good one.
Is it good?